Pixie doesn't like to be disturbed during her free time. At that moment, she is letting out her anger. She is very eager to smell the trees. She really likes watching the coconuts. Sometimes she acts like a coconut. She can easily stand on just 2 legs like a bear. She likes to be outside for a while in the morning, but she doesn't like anyone coming close to her. She often stays in a safe place where no one can easily find her. She likes to sleep with her playmates. She is skilled at various kinds of indoor games as well. If a small creature comes inside the house, it's hard for it to escape from her. She also loves to adorn herself with flowers and look beautiful. Sometimes, after spending a lot of time outside, she feels unwell. If she feels unwell, she finds and eats the roots of natural medicinal plants. Then all the sickness is cured.